So yes guys, hi, welcome to my channel. My name is Deepa. So I show all the parcels that I get in my farmhouse. Yes. So I already shot, two videos. So it's continuation to that. Yes. So I'm gonna show everything I got in my farmhouse. So other day I've already opened the parcel. It is this white bag. It is this white makeup bag. Oh my god, I loved it. So I'm gonna show you guys. So I've already opened the box. It came in. So it is this one. Oh my god, it's so cute. Yeah, so it's perfect to carry my makeup and all of that, and my jewelry and all of that. Yeah, this is the one. You can also put your shoes in this. Yeah, it's so cute. Yeah, you can also put your shoes. You also get a slot here. It's like a mini suitcase, and I really like the white color, white and brown combination. So it is this one. So it comes like a mini suitcase. So nice. The front and back is same. And what I love about this is it also has a lock system. So your stuff are protected. You can carry this as a cabin bag. Yeah. So I would carry my shoes or my makeup in this. So with makeup, like you can't put all your big size bottles in the cabin. You can only put your small bags. So yeah, I really love this. Yeah, it's a very cute suitcase. Yeah, it's like a mini suitcase. So it's perfect for your cabin bag. Yes. So this is the one. Okay, so what I love about this is you also have an elastic band here, so you can carry this. You have a handle, and I loved it. The white color is stunning. So it comes very good in your photos and all as well. It's very Instagrammable. Yes. So yes, moving on. So I, have this brand, Mac and Pop. So there was this white dress that I wore for my birthday, and oh my god, everyone loved me in it. So from the same brand, I have another dress that they sent me. So this is a black number, like giving me all that like Victorian vibes. Yes, it's a very nice one. Yeah. So you can check this out. Oh my god, it's stunning. I love the work on this. Yeah. So this is the one. Yeah, so I'm gonna show you guys. Yes, so this is the one. Oh my god, just can you see this? So it has this chain detailing, and it's very stretchable as well. Yeah, so this is the one. So it's very stretchable, and it has this off shoulder, yeah, chains. And I love how it has this, the stone detailing, very nice. It's a little bit on the heavy side, and you need to be a little bit tall like me to have a good height to wear this dress and look like good. I am 5 feet 6 inches, so yeah, this is very good. Yeah, it also has a slit. So below, it's a very beautiful number, and many people tell me that I look very good in pink, black, and red and blue. So yeah, even orange. Yeah. So this is a very good number. Yeah, and I love the work detailing. It's a simple black dress. It is having this mermaid cut, but oh my god, it's stunning. The work on this is stunning, and it's a off shoulder dress. Yeah. So yes, I loved it. It's very nice. So yeah. So backside also you have this attachment. So it comes near your waist, like this part of your body. It highlights that. So it is an off shoulder dress. It's very tough to show. Yeah. But it is a little bit on the hefty side because there are a lot of chains. Yeah. And yeah, love it. Yes. So it's a simple black dress that is highlighted with all these chains and all of that. So even for the chains, you have lot of lobster hooks. So you can adjust according to your fitting. Yes. So loved it. It's a very Victorian kind of dress. Yes. So moving on, there is this brand called as Florista. You get very good accessories from this brand. Oh my god, I love accessories. So yes, so you get very beautiful accessories from this brand. So this is the brand Florista. So I took some couple of accessories from them. So I wanted to show you guys the first one. So the first one, oh my god, you can see how beautiful it is. It is this necklace. It comes with a pink flower here and a series of white flowers. I'm gonna open and show you guys. Yeah. So you have matching earrings as well with this set. Yes, I'm gonna show you guys. So you get very beautiful accessories from this brand. Yes, so you can check it out. Okay, so yes, so this is your earrings. So I wore a similar one, when I was in Kashi recently. Like I wore, yeah, it was looking very nice with long hair. So this is a earring, and your, what you put in the hair. So this is your earring. Yes, you can see. This is one. Yeah, this is your earring, and it comes in your hair, and you have a similar one, like this is the one, other one. You have lobster hook, so you can fix this. Yeah, or you can use these simple, like if you do not want to attach to your hair, you can use this as simple earrings. Yeah, you don't need, like you can see here, you can remove the lobster hook and you can use these as studs. Yeah, so this is the each year the both one. So it's from a brand Florista. I really love the detailing, the flower detailing. You can just see it's so intricate, so beautiful and delicate, so it look very nice in photos and all of that. Yes, so I'm gonna put it here. You can see how beautiful it looks. So if you do not want to use that, you can just, you have lobster hook here, so you can just remove the lobster hook and you can use these as simple earrings. Yes, so that is what I loved about these. So yeah, very beautiful. Okay, so moving on. This one you're gonna love it. Oh my god, it's matching with my this dress as well today. So it is this pink floral, yeah, choker. Yes, so beautiful. Yes, it's a chain come choker, so you can adjust how longer you want. Yes, so it is this one. Oh my god, so pretty. You can just see it is having this pink flower detailing. Wait, I'm just gonna show you guys. It's so pretty. Yeah, so yes, this is the one. Yes, see how stunning it is. So it is this, it's a very delicate work. So when you wear this, ensure that you protect it. So it comes with a lobster hook and it's a chain come choker. Yes, so yeah, so it has this pink flower, orange flower, yellow flower. And what I love about this is the pink flowers. It kind of matches with today's dress that I'm wearing. Yes, so it looks stunning. So this is something, you can check out this brand. You have tons of dainty jewelry from this brand. So love it. So when you get this, yeah, you can check out other colors as well, but I loved the pink one. Yes, so yeah, this is the one. Let me know, what did you feel, which one did you like? So you like the other one or this one? I am more towards this one. Yes, so that's about it. Yes, so continue to all the other parcels that I got in my farmhouse. Yes.